Hello everyone! Welcome back to Filipina Manskin channel. And today's video po is all about my harvesting in my garden and also my cooking. I hope you like the video and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment below. Please watch until the end. And you can share my video to your friends and family. Here's the video. So today I'm harvesting some of broccoli, that little pieces, because the broccoli, remember, I didn't pull the whole plant, so it keep producing the little broccoli. But I can harvest broccoli for one meal. So as you guys can see, ayan, na-harvest ko na po sila. And of course, I'm harvesting this is the native spinach. We call that in my language colitis. And here's the real spinach. I mean the modern, that I call it modern spinach. Ayan. So, I keep harvesting all the greens. Ayan, nakikita nyo po, marami po akong mga greens, vegetables that I'm harvesting. So, I'm so busy really in my day off because I spend my time in my garden. So, ayan po ang buhay ng inyong kamanskin dito. Mas maganda na lang na habit ito, yung gardening. Gardening is a good habit. A little expensive, but it's worth it. So that's my harvest, the greens. Oh, I love it. Very nice. And then also, I have the eggplant. Ayan. Take a moment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Ayan ang aking eggplant harvest. And this time is my first zucchini. It's a really I was surprised I have the big zucchini, so I'm trying to harvest it now. So ayan, so as you guys can see, it's very big and I love it. I'm very happy if I harvest the good one, because I can say it's a fruit of my labor. Ayan, mga kamanskin. Take a moment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Ayan, you can share my video in with your friends and family. And also, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And any suggestion and how to grow and what you grow, something gardening. Ayan. Also I have a strawberry, and the strawberry is still producing. So ayan. So this is for today harvest. I also harvest some of my celery. Ayan. So, I'm going to cook them. So, right now, I'm washing them and to be clean, and slice them. Ayan. So, it's really good. So, ayan, slice natin. Napaka-ganda. Napaka-ano po, ganda ng zucchini. So now we blend it first before we cook. Ayan. So, papaano muna natin sa tubig. Ayan, blends muna natin sa tubig. The boiling water. That way, you know, it's like a half cook, and then before we saute and with the spices. So we're blending right now. So we're done with the blending. So I put a butter and saute with the garlic, ginger, and onion. So saute them together. Ayan. I like butter to, you know, it's very aromatic when I put all those spices. Now we're putting all those vegetables, zucchini and celery and broccoli and all those spinach. Ayan mga kamanskin. So we put that together, you know, eggplant, everything that we're blending with boiling water. So saute for a couple minutes. And we add the oyster sauce. Ayan, oyster sauce for more flavor. Ayan, mga kamanskin. Napakasarap po nito. And healthy. A little bit of granule seasoning. Halo-halo lang. More greens in the pot. So, halo-halo natin. Ayan. And almost done. Ayan. More halo-halo. Ayan. So, this is how it looks like. It's already done. And let's eat. Ayan. Samahan niyo po ako. Ayan. Kain tayo mga kamanskin. Maraming salamat po sa panunood. At sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Yung yellow na nakikita nyo po is leftover po yan na caldereta, beef caldereta na niluto ko nung isang araw. Leftover. But the vegetable is fresh from the vine in my garden. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. To all my kababayan, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. At magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod ko pang mga adventure. This is your Filipina Manskin. Signing out. Babu. I love you all. Take care and God bless.